Hi guys, so I am recording this. First of all, I'm Mika, a financial advisor or consultant here in Pro Life, and welcome to my page, Pro Money Inspires and Inspires. Now guys, I just want to record this moment. I read this caption from one of the inspiring speaker. So now, ang sabi doon sa quotes na yon, English siya. So, to make it simple, you have to turn your salary into income. And, nung nabasa ko yon, sabi ko, I will do it. Currently, we're having a financial problem with in this setup, Kasi first I have to resign dun sa aking former job, which is okay naman, but then I feel like I was taken for granted, And also,
sit down.
I have to...
Sit down, Jack.
Okay po. You need chair? Alin, this one or this one? Ito?
Okay, Mama.
Opo. Oh. Get mo, bilis. Careful, ha? Careful. So, ayun nga. Currently, I also need to help my son who has a referral to developmental pediatrics. So, since short kami sa budget, alam nyo naman kung gaano kamahal yung gastusin doon sa mga check-out for pediatrics. Super expensive talaga para lang ma-assess yung bata. So, we wait for 1 year, almost 1 year actually, para lang magkaroon kami ng schedule or para lang makuha namin yung schedule na to.